Signal words for simple present. Every day, sometimes, always, often, usually, seldom, never. Use. Something happens repeatedly. How often something happens? One action follows another. Things in general. With verbs like love, hate, think, etc. Future meaning. Timetables, programs. We should use bare infinitive form for subject pronouns like I, you, we, you plural, and they. And we should use bare infinitive plus s for he, she, and it. Examples for affirmative, negative, and interrogative in simple present tense. I play tennis every day. I don't play tennis every day. Do I play tennis every day? He plays tennis every day. He doesn't play tennis every day. Does he play tennis every day? You always forget your purse. You don't always forget your purse. Do you always forget your purse? She always forgets her purse. She doesn't always forget her purse. Does he always forget her purse? We, you plural, or they often go to the beach. We don't often go to the beach. Do we often go to the beach? The train leaves every morning at 8. The train doesn't leave every morning at 8. Does the train leave every morning at 8?